this video, I would like to talk with you about how sales funnels changed in the 21st century. Now, we already talked about the 5-step process, starting with awareness and ending with the actual purchase. But there's a new system right now, which I personally think is more effective. Now, we already talked again about the 5 steps. And you might think right now you need marketing or sales strategies for every single step. And to be honest, no, you don't need a marketing method for step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5, but rather you need marketing methods for step 1, for step 2, 3, and 4, and then of course we have the purchase, for which you don't really need a marketing method, but rather like a sales strategy, how to get people to then afterwards really watch the course, or watch the ebook, or watch the product that you're selling. So what I want to do with you right now is I want to have a look with you at a 3-step process. So we basically want to put multiple of these 5 steps together, and I want to then afterwards show you how to dominate each of these steps in order to make sure that people actually purchase from you. So let's get started. Let's have a look again at the actual structure. So we have again on the left awareness, opinion, consideration, preference, and purchase. We said that people first of all want to be aware of the product. We want to make them aware, then afterwards they create an opinion about the product that they consider, compare it with other products, and that is then actually also the preference. And at the end, of course, they are hopefully buying or they're not buying. But of course, there is no marketing method for opinion, consideration, and preference. So individually, it's rather like, okay, you do all these 3 steps in one step. Or for instance, awareness. There are certain methods that you can use for awareness, but you cannot use for opinion. Nevertheless, you can use these methods that you use for opinion also for consideration and for preference. So how exactly can we structure our sales funnel more effectively? Well, we need to structure our sales funnel in a 3-step process in order to make it more effective. Now, we now have something, and this is to the right, the top of the sales funnel, the XOTF. Then we have the middle of the sales funnel, or the middle of the funnel, XOTF, and then the bottom of the funnel, which is the XOTF. And what I want to do with you right now is actually I want to show you how to dominate each step. So which methods to use for the first step, so XOTF, then which methods and marketing strategies to use for the XOTF, then which strategies to use for the XOTF. So again, the XOTF is just simply awareness, the XOTF is opinions, consideration, and preference, and the XOTF is then the purchase. So this is now the structure that we are going to work with. Please remember the terms XOTF, XOTF, and XOTF. We're definitely going to use them in the next videos. So that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other in the next one.